Dear customer, welcome to the PODOEIL smartwatch tutorial. If you are unable to receive text messages while using your smartwatch, please follow these steps. Open the FitCloud Pro app. Go to Device. Then enter Push Notifications. And enable all reminder. Go to your phone's settings. Navigate to Bluetooth. Find your smartwatch. And click the icon on the right. Then, enable sync contacts and share system notifications. Find the messages settings. Enter notifications. And ensure that allow notifications and critical alerts are both enabled. Also, turn on customize notifications and make sure that unknown senders and emergency contact alerts are enabled. Now your smartwatch should be able to receive text messages from your phone. If you encounter any issues during use, please contact us via the email above, and we will provide you with professional after-sales support. Thank you for watching.